So we're at Ranelagh Main Street now, and you have the Luas stop here above the main street. James O'D was here in '59, late '59, and the two steam trains that came over from Inchicore removed the bridge. But again, a fine embankment that carried on beyond Ranelagh there. This beautiful arch here into the park. I think I'm right in saying this is where the world's first air balloon, no, got that wrong. It's where the first air balloon in Ireland took off from in 17 something. I'll have to put some info up on that. Lovely little park. Information on what life we have in the park. Beautiful. And again, here's the embankment that I left a few minutes ago from Northbrook Road. Amazing. Being repurposed for the Luas all those decades later. See the arch from this side now. Beautiful. And the red brick. Back onto the main street. So again, in the early 1850s, this embankment was built. And in 2003, they put this bridge back in place. Or replaced the bridge, not the original bridge, of course. I think it was the third bridge. I think they had the original bridge in the 1850s, and then that was replaced with heavier steam trains, and that was built in 2003. There's the entrance to the Ranelagh Luas station I'm heading into now. So the OD would have been standing up here taking the picture. There we go. Please subscribe, or if not already subscribed. Or if you have, thank you, I should say. And just spread the word, please. Thank you.